I'm happy to inform you that the 5th edition body contouring course by Personiks and Kakuna Academy combined program went very well. And from the starting, there was an overwhelming response for the registrations, and but we restricted it to only 10 number for the sake of convenience. And the day one, we taught them about the basics of the body contouring with basic technologies like laser and then power assisted liposuction. So once it is done, then on the same day we also demonstrated tummy 360 degree liposuction and the gynecomastia, and then followed by some lectures. Then the second day, Dr. Sanjay Parashar, who was a world-renowned aesthetic plastic surgeon, came from Dubai, and he demonstrated high-definition liposuction along with the lectures, male high-definition lipotomy. Then followed by our senior cosmetic plastic surgeon, Dr. Sudhakar Prasad, sir, demonstrated breast implant. In every step in detail, he explained to all the trainees, and then followed by again under local anesthesia, chin and lower face liposuction by Dr. Sanjay Parashar, which is meticulously performed and exhibited in front of the trainees. So, and after this hectic this one, and on the same day we had a dinner networking meeting among all the trainees. Then third day, finally, Dr. Sanjay Parashar demonstrated high definition liposuction of the tummy of a female, and followed by the butt implant. So butt implant, it was just finished in 1.5 hours and bloodless, and it was a great technique it was pleasure to watch under Dr. Sanjay Parashar guidance, and thank you very much. It was overall very good response, and it was entirely different from the other commonly conducted live surgery. Here we made trainees to scrub along with us, every case 3-4 members, and made them to hold the instruments and feel of how to do it exactly and what is the end results. So this is how it went on, and trainees are very happy and excited. They went with good knowledge, and you can see the reviews how they give it. I want to say one thing, that this program of Body Sculpt conducted by Personiks Aesthetic Academy and Kakuna Aesthetic Academy is different in a way that we demonstrated entire spectrum from pre-op, intra-op till the post-op, and in pre-operatively we given clearly the theoretical part how to do it, and then followed by the in detail marking, as in case of high definition, breast implant and butt implant, marking plays a major role. So that's why we spent almost 30 minutes for every case in detail explanation of the marking and which kind of markings they need to use. Then followed by the positioning on the table, that is supine, prone, lateral position, detailedly explained and demonstrated to the students. And then infiltration techniques, Dr. Sanjay Parashar has exclusively explained about the infiltration technique. It was amazing. Then followed by post-operative care, what kind of garments they need to use, what kind of dressings they need to use. All these things are meticulously in detail explained to the trainees. Thank you.
Hello, I am here in Hyderabad for the 5th edition of body contouring workshop that was organized at Personiks Clinics and Day Surgery Center. It was a wonderful 3-day workshop where I participated in 2 days, and we did a lot of surgeries, including high definition for a male tummy and flanks. We did liposuction for chin and neck with laser endolift. We did female body contouring and high definition liposuction, and we did gluteal implant. So it was a phenomenal experience. I was so happy to have the team of Personiks assisting me all the time, and we had a very successful workshop, and the students, the plastic surgeons who came here were very happy to learn the techniques that we discussed.
Thank you to attend the 5th edition of Dr. Guru Karna's LipoSculpt hands-on workshop. I'm very happy to be here and be part of it. And it's wonderful experience along with the renowned Dr. Sanjay Parashar, who came all the way down from Dubai. The surgeries are expressive very clear. And I'm sure all the hands-on participants go back extremely happy and knowledge. Thank you.